we met a Hawaiian woman, a very strong woman, and we loved her. She was Haunani Kay Trask. She came in 2002 to the Basque Country to talk about the Hawaiian people, Hawaiian nation, and we really felt touched about what she said and her strength, and we still remember her. Esan diot, ezagutu genuela hawaiar bat, 2002an etorri zena, Haunani Kay Trask, oso emakume indartsua eta oso mezu baikorrarekin hawaiar herriarengandik eta ikutu gintuen benetan. And we still remember her like if it was yesterday. Hawaiarrak Euskal Herrian ongietorriak dira eta izango dira nahi dutenean etorri. Guk badugu bere